SmartHub Web makes it easy for you to pay your bill. This video will show you how. You can pay your entire balance due, make a partial payment, or pay a specific amount from one account or several. From the SmartHub homepage, click the Pay My Bill quick link or the Billing and Payments tab. Verify the account selection box is appropriately checked. Use the Payments option to select the amount you wish to pay. You can use these options to pay the total amount due, pay only the amount past due, or pay a specific other amount by entering it here. Then, click the Pay Now button. If you have already stored a card or bank account as a payment method, you may select it here. You may need to provide additional information, such as a card verification code for credit or debit cards. To add a payment method, make your choice of methods here. In this case, a credit card. If applicable, you must also accept the convenience fee by clicking this checkbox. Click the Make Payment button. When adding a new payment method to pay your bill, the next screen displays with your known customer information in many of the fields, but you can edit the fields if necessary. For your safety, you must have a security passphrase associated with your account before you can add payment information. Verify your security phrase is correct, and if not, contact customer service immediately. Otherwise, fill in the fields marked with asterisks. All required fields must be completed before proceeding. If you'd like to save this payment method for future payments, click this checkbox. Rest assured, your information is securely stored in accordance with credit card industry data security standards. When you're satisfied with your entries, click the Continue button. Verify your information is correct and click the Submit button. Click the Close button. Click the Print Receipt button for a printer-friendly receipt. You can also choose to have the receipt emailed to you. Simply verify or enter an email address and click the Email Receipt button. Close the Receipt dialog box to return to SmartHub Web and see your updated balance. Nice! Here's a recap. Access the Billing and Payment screen. Make sure your account is selected and either select or enter a payment amount. Click the Pay Now button. If you have a stored payment method, add any required information or add a new payment method by choosing its type here. If applicable, indicate your acceptance of the convenience fee here. Click Make Payment. If using a new payment method, fill in the required fields, confirm the information, and when you're done, the bill is paid. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to pay your bill using SmartHub Web, including the steps to add a new payment method. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub Web's many capabilities, consult the built-in help or contact your SmartHub provider.